Alright guys, like I said, don't forget to lubricate the spindle, lube your bearings, gear lube, put some gear lube on them. Make sure, don't drop your nut in the dirt. Make sure you have plenty of lube in the rear end. Always check the gear lube in the rear end after you're done. Make sure you've got plenty in there. Nothing came out of these, but it is. I'm just lifting up one side at a time, so. Get it started. Down as far as you can. Got the chain locked. And just walking it in as far as you can get it. Chain locks don't really work good. This is a Mercedes-Benz. Came in a Mercedes kit bag that comes in the back of a Mercedes. Had them for years. Keep it on as far as you can like that anyway. Don't grab these screwdrivers. Or screwdriver. And just get my other screwdriver. Yeah, I forgot my radio was on. Get your nut on as far as you can with your channel locks. And same way you took it off. Put it on. As you can see, as you turn your rotor, your nut will spin right on there. Drop it in view. Checking your play. There you go. Okay, and then you just play with it back and forth. Until you think you got the right preload on it. Like I said, you don't want it loose, but you don't want it too tight. Feels good right there. Like I said, I like a little preload. Them cone bearings, they have to be preloaded. If you have any slack at all in them, you're going to cause play. There's no play in that. Okay, now we're ready for the axle. The axle's another one you want to grease it from front to back. Clean it real good. And just grab some old multi-coat grease. Smear it on the shaft before you put it in. Because I don't know how many of these things I've pulled off and they were rusty. The whole shaft from front to back. And the grease just keeps it from rusting, protects it. Don't forget to put your gasket on. And the gasket was good, so I'm just going to reuse it. Just make sure it's clean inside and outside, because it's kind of like a compression gasket. And if it leaks, you can pull it back out and put a little silicone on it. And let me see. Doesn't really matter too much which way it goes on, I guess. I wasn't paying close attention. I think the dented side goes in. Not all the time will the oil get all over the shaft, so it's good to grease them. Same thing with a Ford axle, or any other axle actually. Do it to all of them. There, hand off. Okay. Line the gasket up. Start 2 bolts. Get all the other ones in there first before you tighten them down. These are 9/16. Quite involved changing a rotor on these things. Check down with the torque wrench, and I'm not going to tell you what the torque is. You'll have to look that up yourself. But yeah, a lot of impacts you don't want to use to put them in with because they're real strong. You'll over torque them. My impact's pretty weak, so we're good to go. Okay, that's the process of changing the axle or the That's the process of changing the rotor on these things. They're not an easy job. I've actually, I don't know, it's a 2-3 hour job for each one, believe it or not. Can be time consuming. And now I forgot to press that caliper in, and hopefully it's good. One on the other side was good. Right there. And they were definitely got their use out of them brake pads. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Time for a break. Alright, y'all take care.